What is up, guys? Good morning. Hope you guys are doing awesome this morning. It is finally the 23rd. Oh my gosh, I gotta let it focus. Come on. There we go. Alright, so today we're just gonna be kinda hanging out. Well, we can't necessarily go outside right now because, you know, here, I'll even show you. Well, we could, but, you know, I really don't want to right now. But, I'll show you guys. It's a freaking blizzard out here. Like, come on. Don't even bother. The window is actually a freaking mess. I already know. But, yeah. It's a freaking mess outside. I was supposed to have a Christmas party at school today, but yeah, it's freaking blizzard out. It's freaking ridiculous. But yeah. So, yeah, that's a thing. But right now, I am going to make a cup of coffee as usual, and yeah, I will see you guys in a second. I need to refill this up. No, that's a must. Alright, what is in here? Okay, so I need to empty that. Alright, it's actually pretty clean. I'm shocked. Caramel cappuccino. Let's go. So, this is what I've got, the caramel cappuccino. Let it focus. But anyways, that's what we're gonna be making this morning. And then I want to, hold on, here. My eye. I just woke up, so I've got sleep in my freaking eye this morning. It's not fun. Please tell me that's on. Alright. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna be making some coffee. And then, I want to just lie down and watch a movie this morning. And that's probably what I'm gonna be doing this morning. So, I'm gonna grab this quick. Normally I put creamer in it, no matter what flavor it is. But since it's this one here, I usually just get this one. The peppermint bark stuff is freaking amazing, and yeah, pretty good. Alright, we're back. So right now I need to get rid of a lot of my garbage because my garbage bin is like overflowing. So we're gonna actually get rid of all that stuff, and then we're gonna move on to the next project that I've got going on today. So today I want to pretty much just clean up my room. I need to reorganize my cords down there. My cords are a freaking mess, not gonna lie. So today, now that and I do need to get rid of some of that garbage down there and throw that stuff away, but today I want to reorganize some of the cords because, yeah, as you guys can see, it's a mess, and I need to vacuum in here because Kermit likes to leave a bunch of feathers all over the place. I do have the Christmas tree on, but no, nothing crazy. I do need to deal with some of my other stuff, and yeah. Don't judge, my freaking room is a mess, I know. But that's why we're getting rid of all my garbage, so it's all good. I do need to go put Kermit away quick so that I can actually go outside and throw my garbage away. So I will see you guys in just a second.
He's also vlogging too.
Yo, we're both vlogging.
Hey.
Hey, let's go.